Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen. Today we're not cooking in this video, but I am cooking up a idea for you for this old lamp. It's broke, it don't work anymore. I think we've had it for about 10 years. They don't even make these anymore, not that I know of. Used to, you just step on them and the light comes on, and now the only ones they have are these twist ones, and I'm about done with these. So what do you do when your lamp breaks? Just throw it away? Well, could throw it away, but there's something you can do with it. You can turn this into this decor piece. If I can get it all in the camera, but you see I got vines and butterflies going up, and it's got this um, I think they call it Nautical rope, and I got rocks in it, and I bought a ton of these flowers. Well, I wouldn't say a ton, but there's a lot of them, a lot of colorful flowers. And I think I made this like 4 years ago. It used to be more colorful and vibrant, and it's lost some of its color. But everything that you see here with the flowers and the rocks, everything that I made, all of it was from Dollar Tree back when everything was $1. So, and what you really need if you think about making this, I would recommend you get the Gorilla brand hot glue sticks and the hot glue gun. So you could do this any way you want with different colored flowers and rocks. And if anybody wants to know how, step by step, I may make another video, because I have another broken lamp that I can make something out of that. I could repurpose that lamp. You can definitely see the height difference in these two. You can shorten this to get You can shorten it. I think it's a lot better short because it may be top heavy if you have it too tall. But any way you want to do it. But I thought I would share this with you. And thank you for joining me. And y'all have a wonderful day.